Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to register on the BloFin exchange. So, on the TradingFinder website, go to the review section, enter the crypto exchange section, and from the available exchanges, you can select BloFin. On this page, you'll find complete information about this exchange. Now, to register, you need to visit the exchange's website, and on the homepage, you'll see the Sign Up option. To sign up, you need to enter your email or mobile phone number along with your password here. For your password, we recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, if you have a referral code, you can enter it in this section. After entering this information, you need to agree to the website's terms and conditions and click on the Sign Up button. Now, a verification code has been sent to your email. You need to enter this code in this section. Go to your email inbox. You'll see that you've received this code from BloFin. Please note that this code is valid for 5 minutes. You need to enter this code in this section. Alright, after entering the code, your account has been successfully created and your email has also been verified. In the next videos, we'll be with you for tutorials on verification, deposit, and withdrawal on this exchange. Goodbye.